Part 11 of Dorset Uncovered is going to be taking a look at the small hamlet that's located just outside Regis. That's of course Shitterton.
So today I'm here in Shitterton after it's been requested quite a lot. We're located just outside Regis. Now Shitterton's quite unique because it's one of the only places in England actually named after dung, because it comes from the Old English word meaning skite. Now it's called Shitterton because there used to be an open sewer running through the hamlet.
And here's the iconic rock which had to replace the road sign because it kept getting stolen so many times.
So it's actually thanks to this river that Shitterton still exists, because in Regis in the 1700s there was a massive fire, and it was actually thanks to this river that the fire couldn't spread to the hamlet of Shitterton, and it still exists today, which is why you've still got a lot of the original thatched cottages, which I'll show you now.
As you can see, it's still full of cottages, and some even say that Shitterton is the best part of Regis. I also found this tap, and if anyone knows anything about it, then please let me know in the comments. And to end off, there's May Woods, which is owned by Brian May from Queen. Now it's got over 100,000 trees, and it's a haven for wildlife. And if this hasn't persuaded you to visit Shitterton, then I don't know what will.